Do you want to make any man miss you like crazy? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to reveal 6 shocking secrets to make a man miss you like crazy. These tips are guaranteed to make him want you more and more. Trust me, these secrets are so powerful, they'll have him counting down the minutes until he can see you again. So if you're ready to take your love life to the next level, make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Because after watching this, you'll have the power to make any man miss you like crazy. Don't wait any longer. Hit that play button and let's get started. 1. Be a little mysterious. That's right, adding a touch of mystery in your relationship can be the key to making him miss you like crazy. Here's the deal, men are like detectives. They love to explore and discover new things. So when you're a little mysterious, it's like a puzzle for them to solve. They'll be dying to figure out what's going on in that beautiful head of yours. The more they think about you, the more they'll miss you. But how do you exactly add this touch of mystery? First, don't be too available. Don't always be his beck and call. Make him work for your time. This will make him value it more and appreciate it when he does have it. Also, keep some things to yourself. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let him discover new things about you slowly. This will keep him curious and wanting to know more. Another thing to keep in mind is your social media presence. You don't have to post every single detail of your life on Instagram or Facebook. Keep some things private and let him wonder what you're up to. This will make him miss you more and crave to be a part of your life. And lastly, let him chase you a little. Men love the thrill of the chase, so don't make it too easy for him. Be a little aloof, play hard to get and make him work for your affection. This will make him appreciate you more and miss you like crazy when you're not around. In short, being a little mysterious is one of the best ways to make a man miss you like crazy. It will make him curious and eager to know more about you, and it will make him value your time and appreciate you more. So go on and add a touch of mystery and watch him fall head over heels for you. 2. Show him that you have a life. Men love a woman with a life, and I don't just mean a life with them, I mean a life outside of the relationship. It's important to show your man that you have friends, hobbies, and interests that you're passionate about. Trust me, this will make him want to be a part of your life even more. Think about it. If you're always available and have nothing else going on, he might start to take you for granted. But if you have a busy schedule and a fulfilling life outside of the relationship, he'll see that you're a catch and he'll want to be a part of it. Plus, having a life outside of the relationship allows for a healthy balance, so you're not relying solely on the relationship for happiness. So what should you do to show him that you have a life? Well, first, make sure to make time for your friends. Whether it's a girls' night out or just a casual hangout, it's important to maintain your friendships. This will show him that you have a support system and that you're not just depending on him for social interaction. Next, let him know about your hobbies and interests. If you're into painting, let him know and maybe even invite him to watch you paint. If you're into fitness, invite him to join you for a workout session. This way, he can see what you're passionate about and maybe even join in on the fun. Lastly, make sure to make time for yourself. Whether it's reading a book, taking a yoga class, or just taking a bubble bath, make sure to take some time to do things that make you happy. This will show him that you're not just a couple, you're an individual with your own interests and passions. In short, showing your man that you have a life outside of the relationship will make him want to be a part of it even more. Maintaining friendships, sharing your hobbies and interests, and making time for yourself are all great ways to show him that you're a catch. 3. Show interest in his life and hobbies. Show them that you care and that you're interested in their life. One of the best ways to do this is by taking an interest in their hobbies and things they enjoy. Not only will it make them feel special and appreciated, but it will also help you two bond and connect on a deeper level. For example, if your man is into sports, try to learn a little bit about his favorite teams and ask him about his thoughts on recent games or players. Or if he's into music, ask him to recommend some of his favorite bands or songs and take a listen. Even if you're not particularly interested in the same things he is, showing that you're willing to try new things and learn about what he loves will go a long way. It's also important to remember to give him space and time to pursue his hobbies. Don't be overbearing or try to change his interests. In short, showing interest in the things he enjoys and making him feel special is a great way to build a deeper connection with your man. It's important to remember to keep it playful and not to force anything. And most importantly, respect his interests and give him space to explore them. And don't forget, everyone likes to feel special and appreciated. So take the time to show your man that you care about him and his hobbies. 4. Play hard to get. Girls, you know playing hard to get can be like a secret weapon when it comes to dating and relationships. It's time to work on those "I'm not interested" vibes, you know what I mean. But don't go too far. You don't want him to think you're not interested at all and give up on you. The goal is to be a little bit busy and a little bit hard to get, but not completely out of reach. Make him work for your attention and time, you know. It's all about finding that sweet spot where he's hooked, but still wants more. Trust me, he'll be chasing you like a lovesick puppy in no time. So go ahead and let your inner flirt shine and play a bit hard to get. It'll have him falling head over heels for you. 5. End the conversation first. It's all about playing it cool. You don't need to come across as too desperate or clingy. When you're chatting with him, whether it's over the phone, in person, or through text, make sure you're the one to end the conversation first. It's a little tease, leaving him wanting more. He'll be thinking about you and the conversation for a while, and trust me, he'll be excited to talk to you again. It's all about creating a sense of mystery and intrigue, and making him want more of your time and attention. But don't just cut him off mid-sentence. Wait for a natural ending point in the conversation, like when the topic has been exhausted, or when he's about to go do something else. It's important to be respectful and considerate of his time. It's a subtle but effective way to keep him interested. And let's be real, who doesn't love a little bit of a chase? It's all about creating that sense of excitement and anticipation that'll make him miss you and long for more conversations. So go ahead, play it cool, and end the conversation first. It'll have him missing you and longing for more combos. Remember, less is more, and mystery and intrigue can be incredibly powerful in keeping a guy interested. 6. Be happy. Nothing is more attractive than a woman who is happy with herself. When you're happy and fulfilled, you radiate positivity and confidence. It's like a magnet, people are naturally drawn to it. And, let's be real, who doesn't want to be a part of that kind of energy? When you're happy, it shows him that you don't need him to validate you or make you happy. But don't get me wrong, having him be a part of your happiness is amazing too. But showing him that you're happy without him will make him want to be a part of it even more. So go ahead and focus on yourself, do what makes you happy, and the rest will fall into place. Remember, happy girls are the prettiest, and nothing is more attractive than a woman who is content and happy with herself. Remember, these tips aren't just for getting a man's attention. They're also about building a strong and healthy relationship. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more relationship advice. Leave a comment below and let me know which secret you're going to try first. Thanks for watching.